children are the future leaders of tomorrow. They are not meant to suffer, not meant to carry heavy loads, not meant to be turned into servants at home. They are meant to learn, to grow, and to dream. Yet every day, many children wake up not to go to school, but to fetch water, gather firewood, and work in the fields. While others carry books, they carry burdens far beyond their little shoulders. But a child's hands were made to hold pencils, not farm tools. A child's mind was made to be filled with knowledge, not worry.